Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. These are Orgie Lube Tube water-based, a line of 4 basic intimate gels, each with a feature that delivers more than the comfort and the long-lasting effect that you get from these outstanding products. Let's have a look at each one of them. Lube Tube Hot provides you with a pleasant warming sensation added to its long-lasting effect. Lube Tube Cool has a hint of menthol in its formula, so you get cooling and slightly tingling sensations combined with its long-lasting effect. With Lube Tube Extra Moisturizing, you get long-lasting superior grade lubrication. And Lube Tube Nature, which is formulated with a natural and vegetable-based active ingredients. It contains sodium, alginate, which is beneficial to the skin, long-lasting effect, softens and soothes the skins. All these Orgie Lube Tube water-based intimate gels are fragrance-free, non-sticky, easy to clean and wash out, and very simple to use. Just apply a generous amount on the intended area, reapply as feels good for you. Orgie Lube Tube water-based intimate gels are the basics to not be underestimated. Orgie Lube Tube is a vast range of best-selling, well-crafted products that worth your time to get known through this series of Orgie Company videos. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and there yourself.